Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name is David A. Quad and welcome to my YouTube channel, your source for the hottest, nastiest, most filthiest videos on YouTube. This is my weekly Sunday vlog for March 10th, 2019. In this video, we're going to talk about the updates, what movies I've been watching, what video games I've been playing, and we're going to talk about a huge haul that I've done this past week. I went to a bunch of thrift stores, I went to Walmart, I went to pawn shops, and I got a lot of stuff here. Look at this. I got some Blu-rays, I got some games, I got some DVDs, action figures. But before we get to that, let's talk about what I've been doing this past week. There may not be time for the Q&A this week. We'll see. We'll see. All right. And if we don't have time for the Q&A, we'll just save it up for next week. Okay. So do ask your questions in the comments below, and I'll answer them next week. So we got here Resident Evil 4 for the Wii. I just completed it, the Wii version of Resident Evil 4. I love this game, but on the Wii, it was super hard to control because it got like the nunchucks and stuff like that. I did use this the Pro controller, and it's all right, but yeah, I wouldn't recommend that the Wii version is the most superior version of Resident Evil 4, but I did finish it on the Wii. I'm glad to say that I bought the game and I completed it. I do have it on PS2 also. I originally played it on PS2 and I miss it, so I want to play it on the Wii. Okay. Also, this past week I saw Creed 2. My dad got it from Redbox. Got the disc from Redbox. We already returned it. But I just want to let you guys know I did see the movie with him. My mom saw a little bit of it also. We loved the movie, man. The movie was very enjoyable. I like the chemistry between Rocky and Adonis Creed. I like the throwbacks to the original Rocky movies. I like the drama, Ivan Drago and his son and all that stuff. I really loved it. Great story, has a lot of heart to it, a lot of emotional moments. I cried, man. I cried watching that movie. I freaking loved it. Once the movie goes down in price a little bit, you know, maybe on Black Friday or something, I will definitely buy the movie and make like a Creed and Rocky collection update. Yeah, it's up there. See that? The Rocky and Creed movies right there. Okay, I've also seen this past week The Predator, the new one, the one that came out last year. It's got like the Super Predator there. It's got the dude from Logan. It's got Key from Key and Peele. I love this movie too, man. Lots of action, mindless violence. My mom saw it with us. She thought it was, oh, this is nonsense, mindless violence. But I had a good time watching it. Yeah. Oh. A lot of good moments in it. I'm a huge fan of the Predator series, so they release any movie where it's good or bad, I'm going to enjoy it. You know? I just like seeing the Predator. And let's see. Yeah, all the other Predator movies right there. You see it? You see it? Okay. Everything else here I did not watch or played. Maybe I should talk about the video games first before we get to the Blu-rays. Here, you guys always talk about video games. Look, Life is Strange Before the Storm. I got like a $4 coupon for GameStop. My GameStop membership member thing is over. Like I don't have it anymore. I'm not a GameStop Plus whatever rewards member anymore, and I used all my points to get a coupon, which I used to get Life is Strange Before the Storm. So I'll play this on Twitch for you guys. Looks like I got like the special edition here. It does come with like the bonus episode. Farewell. So maybe hopefully that code works. It is used. Otherwise, I'll just play the main game. Okay, there's like 3 chapters to it. I heard that you can finish it in like 10, 11 hours. Okay, I saw this at a pawn shop. This is not from GameStop. It has a GameStop sticker on it, but it was not from there. It was only like here. $5. So I got it. I don't even know what this game is, but I read the back of it. And it's got all these words I like, you know, CIA, spies, gun, warfare, stealth. So I may check it out. It looks like Hitman or something, but I never really heard of it. But it was cheap, so why not? If I don't like it, then we'll go on and move on to these other games. I got here Ultimate Alliance 2 for Nintendo DS. I never played this game. I do have the original Ultimate Alliance also. I got right here. on the PSP. So I figured, hey, I played the previous one on mobile, so I'll play this one. You know, mobile gaming. That's how I play these days. I take my 3DS to work with me, and I play during my lunch. So Ultimate Alliance 2, I know what you guys are thinking. David, there's a much superior version with better graphics and stuff on the Xbox 360, PS3. You can play on the Wii, it has better graphics than the DS version. I just want to know the story, so I'll play through that, okay? And finally, we have here a game that a lot of you guys have been asking me to get, and I finally got it. $8. This is the complete edition. This is not like the normal edition that was sold for $9.99 back on Black Friday. This is $8. $8 for a complete edition. It's got all the DLCs and stuff. Here, complete edition includes Horizon Zero Dawn, the main game, Frozen Wild expansion, got this Karja's Storm Ranger outfit, Mighty Bow, and Trader Pack. Got the Bannock Trailblazer outfit, Bow, and Traveler Pack, Nora Keeper Pack, and Digital Art Book and PS4 theme. Heck yeah, man! Complete edition. Hopefully I can get the sticker off. And all the codes. Digital Art Book, PS4 theme. Okay. Hopefully it works. I did buy a used after all. But yeah, I can finally play it. I'll probably play it on YouTube for you guys. Here, let's go ahead and take a look at the Blu-rays I got. Another movie that people have been asking me to get, Halloween. I have not seen this, you know, when it was in theaters. And now it comes out on Blu-ray, and I got it for $6. $6. So, there it is. I'll watch it eventually. I'll let you guys know. I'll do like a review, just like what I did with these other movies, you know? Just tell what I initial thoughts and stuff. Mission Impossible Fallout. I already got this. I already saw it in theaters. I love this movie. This is my favorite movie of last year, and I finally got it on Blu-ray. So there it is. By the way, all this right here, this Predator, Halloween, Mission Impossible, Incredibles 2, they were like $6 on familyvideo.com. Okay, so you go on there, buy it online. Okay. Finally got Incredibles 2. I did not see this movie either in theaters, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to have to wait till my dad is available. He wants to see it too, so I'm going to have to wait. I can watch this tonight, I guess. He's not interested much in this one. Ready Player One. Got it for $3, man. $3 at a pawn shop. I couldn't believe it. Come with the slipcover and like these. All the discs are there. This is $4, but it's really $3. That's what they charged me. Okay, at a pawn shop. Couldn't believe it. Blu-ray too. I was expecting, oh, for that price, maybe just a DVD, but I got it on Blu-ray. There was a guy that like, David, you really missed out, man. It was like $10 or something on Black Friday and you didn't buy it. Well, guess what? I got it for $3. Blu-ray and DVD. I didn't see the digital in there. And of course, no video is complete until I talk about wrestling. I got here, Phenomenal, the best of AJ Styles, Volume 2 from TNA Wrestling. That's right, not WWE. This is before he joined WWE, okay? Here's the match listing. Pretty cool that it's all wrapped up too. This was only $5. Yeah, there it is, $5, and it's all wrapped up. So this is what he looks like back then. This is what he looks like now. Hang on. Here, I just got this. That's AJ Styles, okay? Look at him. Look at how much he grew up, man. Look, he's all well shaven here. He's all young and stuff. Short hair and all that. Look at how much he has changed since he joined WWE. So, this is him, his younger days, man. Okay. And then we got Backlash 2008. It's got the Undertaker right there. Looks like it's got all these annoying stickers. Looks like it was at the library or something. But got for only $1 at the pawn shop. Oh wait, I was watching it. Hey, there's no disc. Here, I'll show you this. Hang on. There, that's what the disc looked like. Same artwork as the front. But it says Harris County Public Library on it. Okay. And then finally, we got this cool Optimus Prime action figure. Comes with Optimus and his trailer. Used to be 30 bucks. Well, guess how much I got it for? $7 at Walmart. There were 3 left, and this was the one that's actually in good condition. The other ones, like, they squished them, you know? Someone, like, sat on the box or something. This is the best condition that they have. So, I already played with it. I already opened it, and you know what? Let's go and do it right now. I'm going to show you what it contains. Take them out here. I like putting them back in the box. But yeah, $7 is a great deal for this guy. Look at this. It's been a while since I played with Transformers, man. I still got a whole bunch of them, too. Here, come on. Here, I'll change him real quick. Hang on. Just so you guys know what he looks like. I was playing with him the other day. Kept changing him back and forth and back and forth. It's got a very simple transformation, very reminiscent of his G1 version of him. Okay. Okay, so that's what he looks like in his truck mode, Optimus Prime. Okay. And then you hook him up like this. Yeah! Pretty cool! This one's got some cool features too. Look at this! Yeah! Here, let me do it again. On this side, I might like a little kid in the candy store right now. You can open up this back part, see? This part's open up on the side. This flips up. There's a little gun right here. And a little gun right there. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? So $7 for this, man. $7 freaking dollars. Used to be 30 bucks. I couldn't believe it. I didn't even think. I saw when I snatched it up, man. So probably this upcoming week, you'll probably see me play this, and I'll probably do this on my own, okay? I don't know if I'm gonna record videos of me playing this, but I will be playing this on the go. Probably play this right before bed, maybe like one single mission or whatever. If I don't like it, I'll jump over to this, okay? And this one I will probably live stream. This one I'll live stream too, but I probably won't get to this until I finish all these 3, okay? So this is probably like next week or something, and I'll live stream this on YouTube. So you guys have been begging me for it. So I've already seen this. I'll probably see this tonight, so next week I'll talk about this movie and what I thought about it. I'll probably watch these 2 sometime later this week. Okay? Yeah! Gotta clean all this up now. Hey! Thank you for watching, everyone. Be sure to rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Talk guys later. Bye-bye.